Here at Me Bella Wellness Center, where we offer gynecology to women and adolescents, as well as hormone pellet therapy, weight management, intimacy services, total wellness with supplements, as well as laser hair removal for both men and women. Our goal is to help you live well, age well, and experience everlasting intimacy. So today I've been getting a lot of questions about the O shot and what it is and what it does and why is it such a big conversation these days. So for some women, after they have babies, they notice a difference in their enjoyment during intimacy. Some women, as they age and mature, or after a baby, may notice that they're leaking urine a little bit more with coughing, sneezing, jumping, laughing. They also may notice that they have some urgency and frequency, and that can be caused by being pregnant and delivering a baby, and that can also be caused just as much by just aging and maturing. So one thing I recommend all my patients do is really protect the vaginal tissue and start treating the vaginal tissue between 35 and 40 earlier if you're on hormonal birth control. If you're not, definitely by 40, use either the hyaluronic acid that you can use twice a week at night right before bedtime, or there is a vaginal estrogen that you can use. Those options work topically on the tissue to keep it healthy, strong, orgasmic, sensitive, and lubricated, and to decrease pain during intercourse. So some people have already done that and they're still noticing some dryness and noticing that they're having to work a lot harder for the enjoyment that we all want during intercourse. And that's also where the O shot comes in. So the O shot is where I take your blood and I spin it, and then I replace that blood in the clitoral area as well as in the G spot, and putting the blood there, and sometimes along with our hyalogel, which is even better growth factors compared to your concentrated blood. And what this does is after 2 weeks to 2 months, women are going to notice that they're more lubricated. They feel like the canal is tighter. They notice more sensitivity. And they notice more frequent and intense big O's. And they notice an improvement with coughing, sneezing, jumping, laughing, leakage of urine. And some women also notice an improvement in urgency and frequency. So it is a great procedure. The actual procedure does not take long. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but we prep you, make sure you're nice and numb, do a topical numbing, and then also do a clitoral block so that you don't have much discomfort during the procedure. Prior to doing the procedure, we actually do what we call an O wave, which is where we use the sound wave technology to increase the blood flow. And that's going to help stimulate the platelet rich plasma once we put it in, as well as the hyalogel if you add hyalogel to your O shot. It's an amazing procedure. A lot of my patients get it every 1 to 2 years, and that is enough to maintain the integrity of the tissue, to help with the leakage of urine with coughing, sneezing, jumping, laughing, and to improve the enjoyment of physical intimacy. So great procedure, doesn't take long. I won't say it's painless, but I say it's well tolerated by most people. And we do have plenty of lidocaine, and we do a good clitoral block. So for our patients lately, most of them tolerated just fine. And I think with the results, people forget about any discomfort they may have had, because the results are so good as far as the leakage of urine with coughing, sneezing, jumping, laughing, and the enjoyment of physical intimacy, as well as the lubrication. And if you were having pain with intercourse, a lot of women will notice that their pain with intercourse resolves. So great procedure to maintain healthy intimacy, because remember, women who have regular intimacy live longer than women who don't. So it's important for you to maintain healthy intimacy, whether with a partner or without, and continue to enjoy the gift from God, especially if you're in a relationship. Intimacy is so important for oneness. So we want to make sure that not only are you maintaining your emotional, recreational, intellectual, and spiritual intimacy, but also your physical intimacy. So it's Dr. Mia and Me Bella Wellness Center. Y'all can share this. I know a lot of people have had questions about the O shot and the outcomes, and there's a great procedure with great outcomes. So if it's something you're interested in, let us know, because everything is on sale for the spring fling for March 2024. So now is the time to try our new procedures, which this one isn't new. We've been doing this for years with great results. So See you soon. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Go live well, age well, and experience everlasting intimacy. It's Dr. Mia.
That's all I
Bye.
got. Those labs